Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the wireless adapter or plugging an Ethernet cable. This gets you online immediately. Once done, open the network panel and locate the SSID you want. Enter the password carefully, then choose 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed. Make sure device drivers are current, update if needed. If prompted, select private for trusted networks. You're now connected at the basic level and ready to move into configuration and testing steps. Now tighten configuration. Open network settings and confirm the profile is private when at home or work. That enables easier sharing. Next, secure the connection by checking router encryption. Prefer WPA3 or WPA2 if WPA3 is unavailable, and enable the firewall on your laptop. If you need remote access or port forwarding, assign a static IP or create a DHCP reservation in the router. Otherwise, leave DHCP for simplicity. Once configured, test by browsing and running a speed check to verify throughput. Finish by verifying everything works. Open a browser, ping a reliable host, and run a speed test to establish baseline performance. If pages fail to load, restart the router and your laptop first, then inspect Ethernet cables and Wi-Fi signal strength. If problems continue, update the network adapter driver, reset the network stack with the built-in troubleshooting tools, and make sure the ISP has no outages. Key troubleshooting tip: if you still cannot connect, gather error messages and speeds before contacting support so they can help faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.